falloffs can be used to increase or decrease your transform tools, sculpt tools influence. Let me show. Let me activate my linear falloff, click and drag. Here we had 0% influence, and here 100% influence in all the transform tools. You can move your falloffs. This is still active. You can use some axes in every falloffs, and you can reverse your falloff direction. Pay attention in this position in your falloffs. Every time you need to be in your 0 axis to don't have problems with symmetry. You can use your falloffs selections. To disable your falloff, just to hit escape in your keyboard. You can see here. When you deselect your selection, your falloff will be applied. Backspace to deselect, you can see here. These are our linear falloff. Let me show another one. Our cylinder falloff, click and drag. Pay attention on this guy. Every falloffs can be used these options here: linear, easy in, shape changes, your mesh changes, is alt, smooth, and custom can be changed here, which these handlers here numerically. You can just move your falloff. This can be very useful in animation or another things, another cool stuffs. You can see here. And another falloff for this one here. Let me activate this mesh. Radial falloff. Select your, align your work plane, click and drag. Select this guy here, click and drag. You can change some options here. For an example, here you can just move your falloff. Every presets are present here, and this will be set, will be equalize your falloff with your mesh. Select your airbrush falloff, click your right or left mouse button, activate your move tool, and now start to paint. You can change your strength, you can use your move tool, you can use these options here: multiply, add, subtract, these are airbrush falloff. About my screen falloff, align your work plane with your move tool selected. If your move tool are not selected, this not works. You will try to use just paint. So select your transform tool, click and drag your right mouse button, align it with your screen, W to move. You can see the influence of my tool, of my transform tool. Align your work plane, click and drag, and here are that influence we set it when we create our transform tool. Element move, that tool we know. Shortcut RT in your keyboard to select edges, vertex or polygon. Click and drag with your left mouse button to increase or decrease influence. We talked about this before. My noise, select your noise, W to move to, click and drag to add some noise to your mesh. That's very good to make some terrains or something like that. About this vertex map falloff, I create new meshes here, this 2x2 without caps, and this guy here. Let me talk about my edge weight tool very quickly. Select some edges, go to vertex map, edge weight tool. You can add some weight in your edges. Click and drag. You can see here positive and negative values. Use this guy here, vertex map, to visualize effects. Negative scale are blue and positive scale are red. You can add edge weight in your mesh. Let me show how to use this falloff now. So we'll select some edges. L to loop. Go to list, weight map, create new map, set the name, set the value, this case 0.1, a low value. Now I can use my falloff. We'll select another every edges, up arrow to select, L to loop, activate your falloff, R to scale, action center in local. Now you can see this only affects my scale tool only affect vertex map in my mesh.